Signs of a strengthening job market today gave the markets a boost. Let's find out more from Deborah Kostroun and how trading fared on this day, Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2011. Deborah.
Well, thanks a lot, Pimm. You know, one of the things the market closed out, we really didn't know where the market would close out because we were moving around quite a bit. We got that good report that showed that the jobs market is strengthening. That certainly helped things out. And it also gives us some insight into what we can expect for Friday with the all-important jobs report. Semiconductor stocks, the standout today as analysts at J.P. Morgan upgrading the stock on improving economic and inventory trends. And that certainly did help out stocks like Texas Instruments, Broadcom, and Altera. Also, crude oil once again climbing to as high as $102 a barrel at a 29-month high on all that unrest in the Middle East. So something that we're definitely keeping a close eye on, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, the surprise of the day, of course, Steve Jobs showing up for the iPad announcement at the Moscone Center in San Francisco. A lot of people looking at Apple.
You know, definitely, and the stock really kind of moving higher as Steve Jobs showing up on the stage saying that he just did not want to miss the event. And he was met with a standing ovation and cheers. And here's what everybody wants to know about the iPad 2. It is a much faster device. The CPU 2 times faster. The graphics are 9 times faster. It has a front-facing camera for video, also a rear-facing camera for still shots, and 1/3 thinner, even thinner than the iPhone 4. And get this, it will only weigh 1.3 pounds. The current iPad actually weighs only 1.5 pounds, and it will be available March the 11th in the U.S. at Verizon and AT&T stores, and available March 25th in other countries. And of course, the other big unknown, the price. The price actually stays the same, $499 for the 16-gigabyte model. And of course, what this all means for Apple, potentially a lot more revenue. According to Sanford Bernstein, they're saying that the iPad may bring in as much as $16.3 billion in revenue. But of course, Steve Jobs taking a jab at some of the competitors, saying this may be the year of the copycat in terms of those tablets. Back to you in the studio, Pimm.
I think I might think about one just because I could slim down. It's going to be lighter weight. Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.